Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the pound yen I still think is very likely an ABC correction, probably an ABC of 4 before it potentially goes back up and makes a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks like a wave A, it looks like a wave B. And we are trying to break structure. Hopefully it does hold below structure this week to help confirm that the wave B is over and that we really are going back down for a wave C of wave 4. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely making lower lows, lower highs. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up just to look for areas of resistance. Even if this does keep on trending down, these Fibonacci levels are definitely normally areas where the market is likely to make a bounce, which is good news for us because that gives us good areas to look for to take profits and potentially look for bounces for possible re-entries. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. I think that even if this does make a move to the upside, which I don't know that it will, it could potentially keep going down. But if it does make a move to the upside, especially if it goes up and starts breaking some structure on these sort of time frames, then that's going to be great news for us because if it goes up to one of these Fibonacci levels, 3 waves up, impulsive down, then I definitely will go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, if it does go up and start breaking structure, that's going to prove to me that this whole move down is over. Which for me is great news because that means that if I get in at the end of a correction, then it should be the beginning of a brand new subtrend, just like this over here was the beginning of a brand new subtrend at the end of this last correction. So for me personally, I'm waiting patiently for 3 waves up. I'm waiting for a Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move to the downside for another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, one problem I see is when I draw things like this out, people assume that the market's going to go up and go long. I have no idea whether the market's going to go up or not. It potentially could go down right from here. All I'm saying is if it goes up and if it breaks, I will be looking for a 3 wave pullback to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.